Hey everybody, okay, I'm going to show you something that I firmly believe is one of the best things you can do for your skin at home. And it is microneedling. And my friend and dermatologist Jo Herzog gave me tips that she said you have to follow if you really want it to work. So I'm just going to show y'all how I do this. But I'll link to exactly what I have, but I have the Aura and I have a kit. But this is the one that you use for your face. The first thing is you have to have a good vitamin C to use along with this. SkinCeuticals or Obagi, high quality vitamin C. So today I'm just going to use the SkinCeuticals. Okay, you do this in sections, and Dr. Joe said you immediately have to follow while you have gone over this. Immediately follow with the C. If you do your whole entire face and then do this, the areas or pores will close and it won't be as effective. So I'm gonna start, and I usually start on the forehead, and you don't go like this back and forth, you go in passes in one direction. And you can hear this little crunching sound. And at first it might be a little disconcerting, but I'm used to it. Now, I go about 3 times in each direction, and as you can see, my face is getting red where I'm doing this. My eyes are watering just a little bit, and sometimes I sneeze because this smarts. It doesn't really hurt, but it smarts. So I'm going, okay, I've done 3, and then I'm gonna go this way. One more time. And now I've gone this way, and then I'm gonna go diagonally. Now, I'm immediately going to get the C and just put some right there. And all it takes is a drop that it's working. Now, I'm immediately going to get the C and just put some right there. And all it takes is a drop. And while this is fresh, I'm gonna put it here. And then I'm going to do this on every section of my face. So I'm gonna stop and do this part, and then I'll come back and show you how I do some other sections of my face. Okay, so I'm back. I've done this side, so now you can see that it's all red. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I do this side of the face. And there is a smaller attachment that you can use around the nose and around the lips. It is sharper, so I'll show y'all that in a minute. But this, we're still using the face. And you have to be very careful going under the eyes because that skin is thinner. And I do smaller sections, so I'm doing the top half and then I'll do the bottom half later. But this absolutely, in my opinion, and in my personal experience, this makes the biggest difference of almost any at-home treatment that I do. If you are willing to do this and take the time and invest in the right vitamin C, you can get great results. Okay? Now make sure to get this C under my eyes because this is an antioxidant and it's very powerful and very effective. So now you see how I've done this and then I've done this. So I'm going to turn the camera off, do this side, and we'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I've now done this side, so I've done the whole forehead and then both sides of the face on the upper part. Now I'm just going to show you, I'm going to change the head. Now this is, I believe, a 1.0, which the needles are much sharper than this, but I use this when I go around the nose and around the lips because I have a lot of fine lines, and I just want, and then also the shape of this, it makes it easier to get here. So I'm going to go around the nose, and I'm gonna do both because this is a small area. And I'm not doing as many passes, or these needles are sharper, but you can tell that you're disrupting the skin when it starts getting red, and that's what you're wanting to do, is disrupt the skin enough to open it up for the vitamin C. One more C. And you can tell when you've done a good job because when you put the C on it, it slightly burns, not it just smarts. But then I will say, I put this larger one on or this head back on, and I always do my neck because it's very important that whatever you do to your face, you also do to your neck, or you'll have a beautiful, glowy, young-looking face with a leathery neck that hasn't had any attention. But anyway, I highly recommend microneedling, and you can do it at home, get great results for a lot less. If you have any questions for me or for Dr. Joe, just reach out through the blog and the comments, or email me at jamie@familysavvy.com. Thanks so much, and y'all have a great day.